Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can create a clone video on a CapCut application on mobile phone. So here I already have the video from my project, and let's just clone this video. How to do that? You just need to go tap into the clip, and please take a look on this bottom feature. That could be a style there, so you just need to tap it. Now in this section, you just need to swap the section into the left side until you got the scene swap. So you just need to tap on it. There could be two clones that you can use. There could be live clone or absorb clone. So live clone could be that will be a first characters that will be standing before you are walking. After you're walking. And for the absorb one, it could be the opposite of the live clone. I would like to use this, and then you just need to wait until this effects is 100% applied into your video. So the duration could be depending to the duration of your clip as well as the internet connections that you have. And now it's already 100%, and this is the result. You already got those clone and you are moving before the clone. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and please let's make it again into other tutorial.